Hello everyone and welcome to Easy Engineering Concepts, and today we are going to start our lecture series on the topic of HTML. So what is HTML? So here we are discussing about the introduction of HTML, and our first point is HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language. Basically it is a markup language which is used to create websites. Basically it is a structure of the whole website and it is used to develop web pages. With HTML you can develop your own website. HTML is a structure and markup language which is used for developing web pages. And after that, HTML tells the browser that how to display the document. And now we are going to see that how HTML code is written. So this is an example of how HTML code is written. This is the basic HTML example which you will find in each and every HTML page. And now I'm going to tell you the meaning of each and every tag. So first of all we are going to discuss about the doc type HTML. This declaration defines that this document is an HTML document. This declaration defines that this is an HTML document. Without writing this tag, we can't write HTML code. And after that, we are going to discuss about this tag. This is the root element of an HTML page. Without writing this tag, you can't start writing your HTML code because your head and the body comes under this tag. And after that, the head tag. This tag contains all the metadata and the titles of your page. And here this title tag defines the title of your page. And this is a closing tag of head. And now we are going to talk about the body tag. Whatever you write inside this body tag is visible on your desktop or mobile screen. Basically the tag which comes under this tag is visible on document or on your page. So this is h1 tag for heading, and this is for the paragraph. The feature of HTML are it is an easy and simple language. If you have basic understanding of the tags, then you can write the HTML code very easily. And after that, the second feature of HTML it gives flexibility in designing web pages. Once you got familiar with the tags and the structure of HTML, then it will be so flexible for you to design web page. Third is add links on pages. You can add link on pages to navigate from one page to another. The fourth option is it is platform independent, which means that one code base can be used for different operating systems like Windows, Linux, and you can use this code in many languages. For example, C#, Java. The code and the tags are still same. Tags will not change. The fifth one is we can easily add multimedia like audio, video, graphics, etc. So for adding multimedia, you just have to write the tags and the source of the video, audio, and the image you want to print on screen. Thank you. That's all about the introduction of HTML. And if you like this video, then please do like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos of HTML tags.